Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your logo in Dream League Soccer. First, open the game and from the home screen, tap on My Club. Next, select the Customize Team option. Here you'll see the Edit Logo section. You can either pick from the preset logo designs available in the game, or if you want a custom one, tweak your logo settings with the parameters on the right side of the screen. To import a custom external logo, you'll need to paste in the URL of the logo image that's in PNG format with a size of 512 by 512 pixels. But this feature requires 150 gems to unlock. Once that's done, your new logo will appear instantly on your kits, menus, and scoreboards. If the image doesn't load, make sure the link is a direct PNG image link that's in the correct dimensions. And that's how you change your logo in Dream League Soccer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.